When you run a growing business, getting HR and payroll right is crucial. Mistakes cost you time, money, and headaches. Two very capable platforms that often come up, Paycor and Gusto. Each offers a slightly different mix of features, and the best choice depends on how complex your needs are. Paycor is a full HCM, human capital management platform. It's built not just for payroll, but also for performance management, recruiting, onboarding, and learning. Their strength lies in handling more advanced HR needs. Customized onboarding workflows, goal tracking, surveys, and leadership dashboards are all part of the platform. Paycor supports real-time changes via their pay grid. You can make last-minute edits before payroll runs. They also help keep you compliant, since their tax team sends proactive alerts about federal, state, and local tax changes. On time tracking, Paycor goes deeper than the basics. Their platform offers geofencing, so employees clock in only when they're actually in the right place, mobile clock-in, overtime alerts, and detailed timesheet tracking. Gusto is very strong when it comes to simplicity and payroll automation. It's been praised for its clean interface, easy-to-use self-service, and quick onboarding. Their automated payroll handles tax filings, federal, state, local, W-2s, and 1099s, all without much manual work. They support unlimited payroll runs, which means you can process as many payrolls as you need without extra cost. For benefits, Gusto makes it easy: health, 401k, commuter benefits, and more. They also provide on-demand pay through their Gusto wallet, letting employees access their earned wages early. HR-wise, Gusto covers the essentials: employee documents, onboarding checklists, time-off tracking, and more. If you pick their premium plan, you even get access to certified HR experts for advice. Paycor equals powerful HR plus payroll plus time plus performance, ideal if you're growing fast and want an all-in-one platform. Gusto equals payroll-first simplicity, great for small businesses or teams that want reliable pay and core HR without too much complexity. If you're serious about building your creative skills and want a versatile, project-friendly platform, Paycor may feel more natural. But if you're focused on nailing a specific tool or skill and want to take your time, Gusto model could give you better value.